Hello, my name is Tayfun, and in this lecture of our auxiliary course, you will learn about a lot of things about Linux command line. So let's get started. When you work in the Windows, macOS, and most other operating systems, you probably spend your time running applications like web browsers, word processors, spreadsheets, and games. A typical application is packed with features, everything that designers or their users would need. So most applications are self-sufficient. They don't rely on other applications, so you might copy and paste between applications from time to time, but for the most part they are separate. But the Linux command line is different. Instead of big applications with tons of features, Linux supplies thousands of small commands with very few features. The command cat, for example, for example, the print files on the screen, that's about it. So the ls file, ls command lists the file in a directory, mv renames files, and so on. So each command has a simple, fairly well-defined purpose. What if you need to do something more complicated? Don't worry. So Linux makes it easy to combine commands so their individual features work together as accomplish your goal. So this way of working yields a very different mindset about computing. Instead of asking which application should I launch to achieve some results, the question becomes which command should I combine? In this lecture, you will learn about how to arrange and run commands in different combinations to do what you need. To keep things simple, I will introduce just 6 Linux commands and their most basic uses, so you can focus on the more complex and interesting part about that, combining them without huge learning curve. So it's a bit like learning to cook with 6 ingredients, or learning carpentry with just a hammer and saw. So you will combine commands using pipes, and here this is a pipe here in Linux. So this is a Linux feature that connects the output of one command to the output of another. So let me open my driver here, gromit mpx here. So it takes one here. So if you have here, toggle painting, if you have one here, for example, this is our one result. If you make pipe between them like this will take here and put it here to send the output from ls to bin here. Oops, not like this here. So use a pipe to send output from ls to the input of less here. So in this case, the less is going to be less, and just that. And as you can see here, we got a screen here like this. Oops, here, here, as you can see here. So the combined command displays the directory contents one screenful at a time here. So the vertical path here, that we've written here. Yes, here press return to quick here, or for example, let's lsl home like this, and as you can see here, we've written like the output here like this. So first command std out to the next command std, and so any command line containing pipe is called pipeline. So commands generally are not aware that they are part of a pipeline, so ls believes it's writing to the display when its fact output has been redirected to less here. So, and the less believes it's reading from the keyboard when it's actually reading from the output of ls.